तो हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय व्लॉग। तो भाई ये कोई नई व्लॉग नहीं होने वाली है। ये जैसे कि आपने देखा होगा, मैंने लास्ट व्लॉग डाली है जहाँ पे हम प्लांटेशन ड्राइव करने गए हुए हैं। ये उसी हमारे पुराने वाले व्लॉग का एक्सटेंशन है, क्योंकि वो व्लॉग काफ़ी लंबी बन चुकी थी, उसको मैं और लंबी नहीं बनाना चाहता था। फिर लोग इतना देखते नहीं लंबा, तो मैंने सोचा कि 2 पार्ट में उसको डिवाइड कर दूँ व्लॉग को। और पहले पार्ट में आपने देखा होगा कि प्लांटेशन ड्राइव हमने की है, हमने पेड़ लगाया और उसको सबने स्पीच भी दी है। तो एक्चुअली हुआ क्या था कि उस वीडियो में जो हमारे बच्चों की स्पीच थी वो मैं डाल नहीं पाया था ना। तो मैंने सोचा कि बच्चों के लिए अलग एक स्पेशल व्लॉग बनाऊँ, तो उनकी स्पीच एक अलग व्लॉग में दिखाऊँ। तो इसलिए ये जो व्लॉग है, मैं इनमें हमारे जो अब हमारे बच्चे आए थे वहाँ पे, उनकी स्पीच आपको सुनने को मिलेगी। तो उम्मीद है कि मुझे कि आपको उनकी स्पीच अच्छी लगेगी। उनका उत्साह जो था पर्यावरण को लेके, कि मुझे देख के काफ़ी अच्छा लगा कि काफ़ी यंग बच्चे जो थे वो भी इस काम में आगे आए और उन्होंने हमारा हाथ बटाया, अपना योगदान दिया। तो ये चीज़ मुझे देख के बहुत पसंद आई कि आने वाली जो जनरेशन है हमारी, उस काम को लेके इतनी कॉन्शियस है। और आगे चल के मतलब जो हमारा फ्यूचर है आने वाला, वो काफ़ी अवेयर हो रहा है। और हम तो है ही अवेयर करने के लिए, और बहुत अच्छी बात है ये। और आप ज़रूर इस ब्लॉग को एंड तक देखिएगा। जो बच्चों ने स्पीच दी है लाइन बाय लाइन आप सुनिएगा इनको। सो भाइयों, मैं ये वीडियो उन बच्चों के लिए स्पेशल बना रहा हूँ जिन्होंने स्पीच दी है, जिन्होंने हमारे प्लांटेशन ड्राइव में अपना कंट्रीब्यूशन दिया है। तो ताकि सो हेयर इज़ द वीडियो गाइज, स्टार्ट।
आगे आ जाओ थोड़ा सा बस।
यूं भी जुमला हो चुका है।
पर्यावरण हमारे लिए बहुत ही ज़रूरी है। अगर पर्यावरण नहीं होगा तो हम जीवित नहीं रह पाएंगे। आजकल के समय में बहुत ही प्रदूषण हो रहा है, पानी भी गंदा होता जा रहा है। तो ये फाउंडेशन, ये मैंने आज पहली बार देखा कि एक फाउंडेशन पेड़ लगा दी है, और कोई ज़्यादा शो ऑफ नहीं, कोई एटीट्यूड नहीं। ये हमारे कल यानी आने वाले कल के लिए बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट होगी। धन्यवाद।
Hello everyone, my name is Lakshya Tyagi. I am proud to be a part of Dhara Dhyan Foundation. This foundation is dedicated to planting trees and protecting our environment. Trees are the lungs of earth. They provide us with oxygen, absorb carbon dioxide and give shelter to countless species. Today our first activity is tree planting. But planting tree, we are not only making our surrounding greenery, but we are also create a healthy future for young generations to come. Thank you.
My name is Pratik Sharma and I am saying on environment. The environment is not just the world around us. It is the heartbeat that has kept us alive since beginning, loving us without ever asking anything in return. Once the morning felt like gentle hug, fresh air filling our lungs, and birds singing as if the world is at peace. Rivers flowed like lullabies. The trees stand tall like our guardians, and the earth beneath us felt warm and alive. But today, the same world feels tired, wounded, and almost abandoned. The rivers, which once sparkled, now carry the weight of our carelessness, suffocating in silence. The trees, which sheltered the generations, are cut down, falling helplessly as if no one hears their cries. The sky, which once looked vast and blue, now looks dull and heavy, like it's holding back the tears it can no longer carry. It looks like the nature is slowly fading away, not with anger, but with deep and heartbreaking sadness, like a mother who gave everything, yet is forgotten by her own children. What hurts the most is not the destruction, but our silence, our indifference. We walk past the pain every day, pretending not to feel, not to see, and somewhere in the rustling of dry leaves and stillness of polluted air, the environment is whispering its final plea, hoping that before it's too late, we remember how to love it again. Thank you.
My name is Amrit Singh, and today on this special occasion I want to speak my speech on environment. The environment is not something outside us, it is the very life inside us. Every breath we take is a gift from it, and today that gift is slowly being taken away. Not loudly, not suddenly, but silently, like something precious slipping from our hands when we stand still. And the deepest pain of this silence is hidden in our trees. Trees were never trees, they were the arms of the nature that hold us without asking. The shade that they give without resting, the life that kept us alive without speaking. They gave us air when we didn't even realize we needed it. They stood strong when everything else changed. But today, those same trees are standing helpless, one by one, falling and crying, as if they are waiting for someone to stop it, but no one comes. The places where we once loved are now empty. The places where our childhood went in the cool wind are deleted as the unwanted part. The trees that once stood like our protectors are gone, and the truth hurts, we are the reason. They gave us breathe, and we gave them the reason to stop breathing. They once who kept us alive are now struggling to survive because of us. There is a strange kind of pain when you pass by a place where a tree once stood. You may not cry, you may not stop, but something inside you feels empty. That emptiness is not small, it is the quiet loss of something that gave you life. When a tree falls, it is not the wood that breaks, it is the breath of the earth that stops. And the truth that should shake us is that we have stopped feeling that loss. The sound of a tree falling does not disturb us anymore, and starts walking if nothing happened. The silence it leaves behind does not hurt us anymore, but one day when the air feels too heavy to breathe, when the heat burns deeper than ever, when there is no shade left to stand under, that silence will not be quiet anymore. It will scream inside us. It will remind us of every tree we lost and every moment we choose not to care. We didn't realize their value when they were standing. We will feel it when we are falling. So today, don't just listen and hear these words. Let them stay inside you. Let them disturb you. Let them feel you uncomfortable, because that feeling is the beginning of change. Even one small step can bring a big change. Plant a tree and you plant a hope, and save a tree and you save a life, and care a tree and you care for the future. And let us not ignore it anymore and protect trees like they have always protected us, because at the end truth is simple and very deep. If there are no trees, then there will be no breath we could take. Thank you.